Hi friend, today I showed you what is the function of decompression lever in the engine. When we have opened the decompression lever, it means valve of the engine has been opened, so it will be not compress the air inside the combustion chamber. And when we have rotated the engine, after that we have released the decompression lever, it means compression will be made by the engine and engine will be start. This is the function for the decompression lever. It is very important in generally for the by the manual engine, which one will start by the handle and rotating the engine. And when we have released the decompression